In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically convert leads to contacts in Zoho CRM. This process is incredibly useful for streamlining your workflow and ensuring that your CRM system is efficiently organized. Let's get started by navigating to the home page of your Zoho CRM account. This is where all the magic begins. Whether you're new to Zoho CRM or a seasoned user, the home page is your centralized hub, making it an ideal starting point for managing your leads. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to click on the Leads tab. This is essential as it takes you to the section of your CRM where all your potential contacts or leads are stored. Think of this as your digital Rolodex, where each entry has the potential to become a valuable business connection. Now, the next step is crucial. You need to choose a specific lead to convert. By selecting a lead, you'll be taking the first step in turning that initial point of contact into a fully fledged relationship. This action helps focus your efforts on those potential clients or contacts who are most likely to engage with your business. After selecting a lead, look for the More Action settings. This is a drop-down menu that gives you various options for interacting with your leads. Once you've accessed these settings, you'll find an option labeled Convert. Clicking on Convert is the key step in this process. It's important to note that converting a lead is more than just a superficial change. It's a signal that you're ready to escalate your interaction from a mere lead to an active contact within your CRM. Now, when you click on Convert, it's a good idea to carefully review the details on the page before you finalize the conversion. This step ensures that all the information is accurate and that you're making a conscious decision to elevate this lead to contact status. It's like a final checkpoint to verify that everything is in order. Finally, after reviewing the details and confirming everything looks good, you'll want to click that Convert button one more time. This action officially transforms the lead into a contact, effectively opening up new possibilities for deeper engagement and potential business opportunities. Once completed, you'll be directed back to your leads by clicking on the Go to Leads option. This allows you to continue managing and converting other potential leads, maintaining your momentum. By following these steps, you can efficiently automate the conversion of leads to contacts, making your workflow smoother and more effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in enhancing your use of Zoho CRM.